Here are 30 fascinating and fun facts about biryani, presented in a casual, friendly style. Perfect for anyone who loves food and wants to know more about this iconic dish. Biryani is ancient. Biryani dates back centuries, originating somewhere around the Mughal era in the Indian subcontinent. It's a blend of Persian influences and Indian spices, combining to create the ultimate comfort food. It's all about layers. Authentic biryani is made by layering marinated meat and partially cooked rice, then sealing and slow cooking it. This technique traps in flavors and keeps the rice and meat perfectly moist. 3. Rice varieties. Madar basmati is the preferred rice for biryani, known for its long, fragrant grains. But in some regions, short grain or parboiled rice is used, especially in South Indian versions. Chicken, lamb, fish, and beyond. Traditionally made with chicken, lamb, or goat, biryani has now branched out. You'll find seafood biryanis, vegetarian options, and even versions using tofu and paneer, Indian cheese. The dum technique. Dum cooking involves sealing the pot with dough to lock in the steam. This slow cooks the biryani, allowing flavors to mingle and deepen, making each bite uniquely flavorful. There are regional rivalries. There are around 30+ known types of biryani across India alone. Hyderabad, Kolkata, and Lucknow are some of the most famous cities with their unique styles, each claiming to have the best biryani. Biryani versus pulao. Biryani and pulao may look similar, but they're quite different. Biryani is layered, spiced more intensely, and cooked with marinated meat or veggies. Pulao, on the other hand, is a simpler mixed rice dish. 8. Hyderabadi biryani is King Hyderabad is known for its signature biryani, which has a unique flavor from cooking in dum. It's known for using green chilies, saffron, and a blend of spices that give it a distinct kick. Kolkata's sweet twist. The Kolkata biryani is lighter and includes a unique ingredient: potatoes. It's subtly sweet and milder in flavor compared to other types, with an extra hint of rosewater. 10. A feast for emperors. Biryani was originally served to Mughal emperors and their guests, making it a royal dish. It was expensive and used the best ingredients, reserved only for special occasions. 11th. Biryani came to India via Mughals. Many believe biryani made its way to India with the Mughals, specifically from Persia. The word biryani itself comes from the Persian word biryan, which means fried before cooking. 12. Lucknow's Awadhi biryani. Known for its elegance, the Awadhi biryani is cooked in layers with mild spices, often lighter than other biryanis. Lucknow's biryani is a feast for the senses, aromatic and beautifully subtle. 13. Tehari, the veg biryani alternative. For vegetarian food lovers, tehari is a popular option. It's a vegetable biryani loaded with spices and flavors, popular in North India and Bangladesh. 14. The saffron secret. Saffron, known for its luxurious taste and vibrant color, is used in some biryanis. It's soaked in milk and sprinkled over the rice, giving the biryani an amazing aroma and golden hue. 15. Biryani is a street food staple across India. Biryani is a top street food. From tiny stalls to high-end restaurants, everyone puts their own spin on this classic dish. 16. It's not just an Indian thing. Biryani has spread globally. From the Middle East to Southeast Asia, you'll find biryani-inspired dishes with local twists, like nasi biryani in Malaysia and the Middle Eastern kabsa. It might not be traditional, but it's a great option for busy weeknights. 18. Special spices blend. Biryani uses a unique blend of spices called biryani masala, including cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and bay leaves. Each region adds its own twist to the masala, making every biryani taste distinct. 19. Kachi biryani means raw. Kachi biryani means the rice and raw marinated meat are layered together and then slow cooked. This technique is tricky to master, but offers an amazing depth of flavor. 20. An army origin story legend has it biryani was first made as a one-pot meal for soldiers. This allowed them to eat something filling and delicious while on the move. 21. South Indian biryanis are spicier. Down south, biryanis tend to be spicier. Tamil Nadu and Kerala biryanis use more chili, making them bold and flavorful, perfect for spice lovers. 22. Biryani is a festival favorite. Biryani is a must-have during festivals and celebrations. Whether it's Eid, weddings, or even New Year's, biryani holds a special place on the table. Buri. Bombay biryani has a tangy twist, known for its slight sweetness and tanginess. Mumbai biryani uses dried plums and kura, screw pine water for a unique flavor. Calorie-dense and satisfying biryani is a calorie-packed meal with rice, oil, and often rich ingredients like ghee and yogurt. It's hearty, satisfying, and will keep you full for hours. 25. A comfort food staple. For many, biryani is the ultimate comfort food. It's rich, flavorful, and often reminds people of family gatherings, festivals, and happy memories. 26. Served with raita and salad. Traditionally, biryani is served with raita, a yogurt dip, and cucumber onion salad, balancing the spicy, rich flavors of the dish. 7. Arabian biryani variations. In the Middle East, biryani is often made with less spice and uses lamb or chicken. Arabian biryanis tend to be milder and more aromatic. 28. Pakistani biryani is popular. Pakistan has its own take on biryani, using more tomatoes and often a unique spice mix. Karachi biryani is especially famous for its intense flavors and spiciness. 29. Biryanis of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has some unique biryani types, like Ambur biryani and Dindigul biryani, known for their robust, spicy flavors and unique ingredients like dried lemon. 30. Biryani has a national day. National Biryani Day is celebrated on July 3rd in India. It's a day to savor this beloved dish and appreciate its cultural richness. Biryani truly is more than just a dish. It's a celebration of flavors, culture, and tradition enjoyed worldwide. Whether you like it mild, spicy, with chicken or veggies, there's a biryani for everyone.